Alright, let's get fishing. There we go, there's one. Nice. Oh, came off. Alright, calm down, calm down. Calm down. There we go. First fish of the day. Let's get a release. Off she goes. Let's keep going. Oh, the weather outside is delightful, and I'm gonna catch a fish before dawn. Fish. Oh. Had a bite. There's quite a few in this area right here. This little pocket, but they're all really small, which is the thing. Which is also kind of why I'm using this little grub. Oh, come on. And you gotta deal with these stupid leaves as well, which is just great. I think I'm having the most luck under this tree over here, honestly. There's also a little bit of structure right here, might be able to cast. And of course I get hung up. Oh, okay, there we go. Right under this tree right here. It's not a bad spot. I think they're all just chilling. Oh, yep, there's one. Oh, it came off. He came off. He came off. That was a very subtle bite. Oh, come on. No! I don't think these are bass. They're really, like, they're not biting that hard. He's got to be a small fish. Like either a small crappie or a bluegill. Now I'm hung up in the tree. Alright, there we go. Because we got to be like small crappie or bluegill. Trying to eat my bait. I'm just jigging it right there at the bottom. And you feel them bite, I mean, they're going crazy. After this little grub right here. Hung up in the tree. Oh, there we go. Oh, it came off. Bass are way colder and slower. Wonder if I'm gonna fall in today. You know, it's not a good fishing trip unless Zach falls in. So we'll see if I fall in. Right here in this little pocket, there's gotta be a bunch of fish just stacked up. That's what I imagine. I don't know, man. Oh, there's a bluegill right on top of it, dude. That's so cool. There we go. There's another one. That's oh, that's a bass. Okay, cool. Man, I could barely feel that bite. He bit it so, like, not aggressive. It's crazy. Look at that on little jig right there. Little crappie jig, but no crappie. Just a little tiny bass. Nice. Let's get a release. Come on, fish. You're swimming the wrong way. There you go. There you go. He's back. He's back. We're gonna keep moving with this little crappie jig here. Let's fix it up a little bit. Alright, let's keep going. I know they got some really good crappie in this pond, so that's why I'm using this crappie jig, but I'm just catching bass, man. I mean, I ain't complaining. But, you know, thought I'd be catching some crappie today. Maybe I just gotta wait. Well, there goes my crappie jig. Maybe. Please. Can I please have my crappie jig back? Yes, I can. But I can't have my... Gosh, dang it, man. I got the jig back, but the little tiny curly tail came off. And now the bass don't want to bite this. You see the eye and they're like, where'd the body go? Holy crap, man. Alright, let's get something new tied on here. Alright guys, we got another little bait tied on there. Let's see if we can catch some crappie. And not bass. It is the winter time, second day of winter. And we're gonna see, because usually this is when the crappie bite. Oh, I just had a bite, I swear. Maybe I didn't. I think it was just weed. I like weed. I buy weed, I smoke weed. Yep. Okay, this is a danger zone right here because there's just a bunch of twigs everywhere and it's just a good place to get hung up, you know. So we're gonna go along this bank right here and see if we can't catch crappie. Oh, there's a boil right there, right in front of me. Right in front of me. Quit getting hung up, man. How are you not coming off? There we go. I did it. Loosen the drag. Just the camera bit. I think we're good to get hung up again. What the heck? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. That's fine. Yeah, it's fine. We're just going along the bank here and seeing if we can't catch nothing. Oh, I got a bite. Oh! Came off. You saw my line though. My line was going. That was that was a very subtle bite. Like, I couldn't feel the hit on that one. I just felt it kind of walking away. Oh, no way! I missed it again. It's right there. I don't know. Whatever it is, it's just right in front of me. And they're not hitting it. Like, I can't feel it when they hit it. Oh my gosh, no way! Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why I can't feel it. They took my hook off, dude. You gotta be kidding me. There's no way. How do you even... okay. Alright, fish, you win this time, I guess. You win this time. Let's go get rigged up again, I guess. Just a couple cheap fold-up sheets I can sit out on the bank and hold your hand. A cold can. I'm tired of wasting my time. And boss man's and traffic jams and chasing a dime. You can spend your whole life trying to make a killing, but what's it all worth without a little living? You know what? I'm gonna use my custom crankbait. I'm so confident in this lure that if I don't catch a 1 pounder by today on this, it can be a 1 pound crappie, it could be a 1 pound catfish, a 1 pound bass, 1 pound bluegill. If I don't do that, then my baits don't work. But yeah, this is my custom crankbait right here that I'm rigging up right now. It's right there, you can see it. If the camera will focus, here it is. I made this for my little sister because she ordered one. And yeah, you can order one too. Now, if you're wondering where you can order them, just email us at 40baits@gmail.com. Let us know, hey, I want to order one of those crankbaits from you. And I'll say, okay, what colors you want. Alright, let's continue our ways. This is a nonsense piece of crap crankbait. Gosh dang it. Wait, 20%. Oh, come on! Wait, why am I calling my crankbaits a piece of crap? I mean, this really good looking, awesome mega bass, great, awesome, super duper, blooper crankbait can catch you the big ones. I caught my 3rd biggest fish on one of my custom crankbaits. Not too long ago either. It was about a month, in between 1 and 2 months ago, is when I caught it. We're gonna keep moving. There we go. There's one. Came off. Came off. Ah, man. Dang it, dude. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Told you these things work, man. I already hooked up on one. It's crazy. Can we get another one? To bite at least. I guess I just failed to set the hook. I don't know. I set the hook, but I guess I just didn't set it hard enough. I don't know. That's what I'm talking about. That snap the branch off instead of snapping your lure off, you alright? Which is a problem. I can't solve. Because I'm Asian. Asians can only solve math problems. La da 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 da. Okay, there we go. Alright, we're back. We're back. And bigger than ever. Come on, dude. I just want to see Big Bertha. That was a crappie. Did I get that on camera? That was so cool. That was so cool. He came up, tried to eat it, and then saw me, and then went right back down. I just want to see Big Bertha. That was a crappie. I'm finna jig this crankbait, dude. This crankbait sinks. Interesting. This micro crankbait can really catch just about anything. I mean, you name it, it'll probably catch it. Let's see, I've caught a bass on here, I've caught crappie, I've caught bluegill, and believe it or not, I've caught catfish. I mean, it's good to know that I guess you can use it as a topwater. I don't know. Why would you want to use it as topwater? It's a crankbait. Silly me. I'm being Asian again. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let me catch fish. Oh, I caught a leaf fish, man. That's another species that this crankbait can catch as well. It can also, I've also caught plenty, I mean plenty of tree pounders on this crankbait. I mean, holy. Alright, let's go get jiggy with it. Smells like booty cheeks over here. I live in Asia, so we don't really have this kind of stuff. Well, I don't live in Asia, but I'm from Asia, so. I'm making a splash in every cast in. Across the steel like the weight of. There's one. There we go, finally. It took a little while, but we came back to the special secret spot where the fishing's great, and we caught ourselves a nice bass right here on the custom crankbait right there. Look at that. That is not too bad. Not too bad. This is the first, I think this is the first fish on this crankbait actually, because I don't think it's ever been used before. There we go. Nice little tiny largemouth right there. Let's get a release on her. Oh man, he's cold. He's cold. All these fish are cold for some reason. Okay. Here it goes. Alright. Alright. We're gonna get jiggy with it. Here we go. Yep. We got the jig tied on this like really cheap $40 bait caster, because I don't know what I was doing back then when I was 4. So here we go. And our first fish is a leaf. Nice. Oh, dude. My phone sucks, man. I need a better phone. My phone was at 80% whenever I started recording, right? I record for like 30 minutes, and it's already down to 20%. Like, what? What? Like, what? That's you. Okay. Oh, man. I caught the biggest tree pounder in my life right now. I can tell. Did I get it back? yeah. It's just got no skirt. Oh, man. I love my life, dude. Like, what is this bullcrap? How am I meant to fish with this now? What? Looks like we're gonna have to tie something on. Something new on. Fish took up on my string. I set the hook and left that reel. Last bite, I left my hooks at top. Stuck into a big and it was swimming, trying to get off. I knew that fish was huge before I even get the net. But baby, baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. That fish put up a good fight. That fish put up a good fight. So this is the crankbait I caught a 5.5 pounder on right here. With a blue right there and then a light blue on the bottom. You can see how messed up it is. I've just been using a lot. It's got the messed up treble hooks as well. I use this bait so much. I made it such a long time ago and then nobody wanted to buy it, so I was like, well, I guess it's the perfect time to test out my baits. Look at how dirty it is, man. Oh, man. That's sad, but, I mean, I'm trying to keep it as a memory of that 5 pounder that I caught a while ago. So, yeah. Fish took it on my string. I set the hook and let that reel sing. You know that last bite. I left my hooks at top. Stuck into a big and it was swimming, trying to get off. I knew that fish was huge before I even get the net. Baby, baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. That fish put up a good fight. That fish put up a good fight. Before I even get the net. But baby, baby, something's telling me this fish put up a good fish put up a good fight. Fish put up a good fight. Ripping lips. Cast 100 times just to catch a fish. Thought I had a snake, but wait. Thought I had a hit, but I snagged a snake. That's how you go when a fucking MJ's now. You know I love to fight. Fish hooking up my string. I set the hook and let that reel sink. You know the last bite, I left my hooks at top. Stuck into a big and it was swimming, trying to get off. Ah, man.